Do you value security over everything else when choosing a crypto exchange? Then you've probably heard of Gemini. In a market full of ups and downs, Gemini has consistently prioritized being the most regulated and compliant crypto platform out there. But is it still worth your time and money in 2024 and beyond? We're diving into all the latest features, security updates, and what you need to know about their ongoing evolution. Gemini, the security-first exchange. For newcomers and institutional investors alike, Gemini offers a solid, two-pronged platform experience. You have the standard Gemini Exchange, which is perfect for beginners. It's got a super simple, intuitive interface on both the web and mobile app, making buying and selling crypto straightforward. Then there's ActiveTrader. This is where the professionals live. It offers advanced tools like advanced charting, multiple order types, and significantly lower trading fees on a volume-based tiered structure. For active traders, this difference in fees makes a massive impact. New features and key updates. So, what's new at Gemini? The major focus remains on strengthening their core offerings and providing more ways to use your crypto. 1. Staking and yield products. One of the biggest headlines has to be the resolution of the Gemini Earn program issues. By June 2024, Gemini successfully announced that 100% of the assets owed to Earn users were returned. This is an unprecedented recovery in the crypto space and a huge vote of confidence in the platform's commitment to its customers. While the old Earn program is gone, Gemini has since restarted a staking program. You can now earn rewards on select assets like Solana and Ether, with competitive APRs. It's a modest, new, and secure way to generate passive income. 2. Industry-leading security. Gemini's reputation as the security leader is only getting stronger. They now mandate two-factor authentication for all users, not just an option, it's required. They've also implemented passkeys, which are considered more secure and non-phishable than traditional 2FA methods, supporting them on both Apple and Android. You can also set approved addresses to prevent withdrawals to unknown, external wallets, adding an extra layer of protection. 3. The Gemini Credit Card. The Gemini Credit Card is an excellent way to earn crypto rewards on everyday purchases. You can get up to 4% back on qualifying purchases like gas and transit, 3% on dining, and 2% on groceries, deposited instantly as crypto into your Gemini account. The rewards are fully customizable, letting you choose which cryptocurrency you want to receive. The bottom line. Gemini remains a top choice for security in the crypto world, backed by compliance and cold storage options like Gemini Custody. While their list of supported cryptocurrencies is smaller than some competitors, the platform's strength lies in its trustworthiness and split design, perfect for both the total beginner and the advanced active trader. If peace of mind is your priority in the volatile world of digital assets, Gemini is hard to beat. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.